Hi, this is Paul again. I've got another video to show you, and I'm calling this the ball segment research toy. In the last couple of months, I've put quite a bit of research into 3D printed parts that make up a sphere. Now, as I'm working on these parts, I came up with a new idea about putting the sphere together in two hemispheres. So let's take a look. What I've done, I've designed a ring as I show in front. Now if you see on this ring, I've added a male and female dovetail. Okay, now I'll take a copy and move it around and spin it around as I show in front. And I can join them two rings together, top and bottom, perfectly. Now there are two internal lips on the rings. You can see the bottom one. I provided this lip because I've got a groove in the segment to fit the lip. Let's take a look. Okay, the segment is 24 degrees. Now I'm going to add 14 of these segments in RGB colors, red, green, blue. Okay, we've got to number 14, but we can't go any further. The reason is that we can't get past the lip. Now if you notice, I provide a chamfer on the edge of each segment, and you can see I got a 10mm hole in the center. Because of this gap, it gives enough room to put the 14 segments into the ring. Now number 15 segment won't go past the groove. So I solved the problem by remaking what I call a jammer segment. Now on this jammer segment, I've taken the lip away so that it goes past the ring. Now when this segment is located, it holds the rest tight and is not going anywhere. So the jammer has done a smashing job. Okay, now I'm going to turn it around so that you can see the underside. And you can see the base of the color segments are in line with the base of the yellow ring. Actually, the base is in line with the equator. There's one more thing to add. I've added a center cylinder to line up all the segments perfectly. So if this is a finished item, the pin can stay inside. Okay, the next step is to use that hemisphere and make a copy to make a sphere. And now you can see the rotation of the RGB is going in the opposite direction. Okay, I'm going to end this video by showing this going together, the top and the bottom, clockwise and anti-clockwise. I'll repeat it for the second time. Now what I've shown in this video is just one type of segment, a 24-degree segment. Now any botanist will tell you that these segment angles are very important. The orange segments, the number of petals on a flower, it all comes under these segments. But anyways, I've showed enough segments for today. So this is Paul saying thank you very much for watching my video.